Welcome to the training video for the Circle K reset. This is meant to provide an overview of the key objectives for the reset. Please be sure to review your instruction guide for key details. All stores have an inline section on the main gondola of the chip aisle. In most stores, Frito-Lay's shelf space will increase, which means you may have to adjust private label, which is Circle K, or competitor, which is Snyder's or Lance, or both. Before you begin the gondola reset, walk the aisle with the manager on duty and review the shelf space and planogram. Let's look at a planogram example. There are 3 4-foot sections that make up the 12-foot gondola space. Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. Use a tape measure to confirm the gondola size and be sure to use the correct planogram. After reviewing the gondola with the manager, we see that the Circle K section is already 2 feet as shown on the POG, so no change is needed there. Snyder's Lance on the gondola is 4 feet, but it needs to be reduced to 2.5 feet. And this will allow Frito-Lay to be set at 7.5 feet as shown on the planogram. Depending on the store, Frito-Lay's space gain may need to come from private label or competitor or both. That is why it is extremely important to review the space with the manager before you begin. Clear the shelves for Frito-Lay's space gain, in this case 1.5 feet. Be sure to clean the shelves and base deck. Before you pull competitor product, try to consolidate facings as the shelf may not be fully packed out. This will minimize the number of bags you will need to pull from the shelf. Place extra bags of pulled competitor product into competitor boxes found in the back room. If there are no competitor boxes, use a Frito-Lay box and clearly label the box as Snyder's or Lance. Neatly and carefully pack the pulled product. Continue with the Frito-Lay reset and set the space according to the planogram and place the shelf strips. On the planogram, mark an X above the product if it is not available in the store. You will leave behind the planogram after the reset. This planogram with your notes will help Frito-Lay place the next order. After the reset, review your work with a manager on duty. Next, let's review the FEM display. The FEM is a 3-sided display, usually at an end cap location. If your store has 2 FEM displays, you will complete the reset for both. The primary FEM display is closest to the main entrance, and the secondary FEM display is towards the back of the store by the coolers. Set the FEM displays according to planogram and place the shelf strips. Now let's look at the shop around rack, or SAR display. This is a 4-sided display, shoppable on all 4 sides. The SAR includes 2 rounded ends back to back. This is called a small SAR. Some stores have a large SAR, which includes a center section for more merchandising space. The step shelf at the top is only for nuts, cookies, and crackers. Complete the reset according to planogram and place the shelf strips. This concludes the Circle K reset. Be sure to call the Frito-Lay hotline at 1-866-830-2123 if you have any questions. Thank you for your help.